Whoops.
Whoa. Slices are stiff.
Will you turn around to go this way? Because I want to get him coming. I want to get his face.
Go this way. Here, watch out. You got it?
What are you doing, buddy? He'll just go wherever it takes him.
Yeah, it's stuck. Let's see what he does. See what he does. Yeah, see, you got it.
Good job, Killian. You're such a problem solver.
Yeah, number one. And the cat. You're right.
Little early birthday present here. Since he really doesn't know the difference anyway. Yeah, what did happen? That'd be hard to turn it around there. We need a bigger house, don't we?
Or one that we can play in the yard.
Oh, you know, if that's steered better, it would be nice up at Mom and Dad's around. Go just keep just going around and around the living room and the dining room.
Definitely pulls to the right. Yeah. Turn it the other way, you would have been good. Yeah, the end. That's the way to solve. Yeah. You can't solve something, just keep doing it. Persistence.
It's really gonna get into a corner there, buddy.
I do.
It's physically impossible.
I know. Oh, it's really stuck. Alright, let's see if we need a long shot with this one. Hang on. Crap, this is gonna teach him to walk.
I know.
Look at Shepard. You see him?
Oh, oh.